Welcome back to the channel. I'm Be Your Health, and I'm thrilled to share some powerful insights into using food as medicine. Today we're diving deep into the world of autophagy, your body's incredible self-cleaning process, and how specific foods can activate it, leading to profound health benefits. If you're ready to unlock your body's natural healing abilities, optimize your well-being, and feel absolutely amazing, you're in the right place. We'll be exploring 6 incredible foods that not only boost autophagy, but also help burn fat, fight cancer, and support your body's innate healing mechanisms. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health-transforming content. Stick around for my favorite autophagy-enhancing recipes. They're easy, delicious, and effective. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only and not a substitute for medical advice. Always consult your healthcare provider for personalized guidance. As Dr. Mindy says, nobody cures you, you cure yourself. By understanding your body as a self-healing system, you can unlock its full potential. Let's start with a favorite food that many of you are already enjoying, the avocado. This creamy, delicious fruit is a nutritional powerhouse packed with healthy fats, fiber, and essential nutrients. Think of autophagy like your body's internal recycling system. It identifies old, damaged cells and recycles them into energy or new, healthy cells. This process is essential for maintaining cellular health and promoting longevity. Avocados are great for breaking a fast, keeping you fuller for longer. They prevent blood sugar spikes and support stable energy levels. Pairing avocado with probiotic-rich foods amplifies its autophagy-boosting effects. Probiotics enhance digestion and nutrient absorption. This combination optimizes your body's ability to cleanse and rejuvenate itself. Enjoy a salad with avocado and fermented vegetables to nourish your body at a cellular level. Embrace avocado as a staple in your diet and experience its transformative benefits. Now let's talk about something that might surprise you. Cacao. But before you reach for that sugary chocolate bar, remember we're talking about pure, unsweetened cacao, the raw, unprocessed form of chocolate. This potent superfood is packed with antioxidants and beneficial compounds that can significantly impact your health, especially when it comes to autophagy. Cacao is particularly powerful in supporting liver health. Your liver is your primary detoxification organ, working tirelessly to filter toxins and waste products from your bloodstream. By enhancing autophagy in liver cells, cacao helps your liver function more efficiently, further promoting detoxification and overall well-being. One of the key compounds in cacao responsible for its autophagy-boosting effects is epicatechin. This powerful antioxidant helps protect your cells from damage, reduces inflammation, and supports healthy blood sugar levels. When choosing cacao, opt for dark chocolate with a high cacao content, 70% or higher, and minimal added sugars. You can add cacao nibs to smoothies, sprinkle cacao powder on yogurt or oatmeal, or even enjoy a small piece of dark chocolate as a guilt-free treat. Remember, incorporating cacao into your diet is about making mindful choices that nourish your body and support its natural healing processes. So, indulge in the rich flavor and powerful benefits of cacao and experience the delicious side of autophagy. For many of us, coffee is an essential part of our morning routine, but did you know that this beloved beverage can also boost autophagy? Your daily cup of joe helps cleanse and rejuvenate your body. Opt for organic, mold-free coffee for maximum benefits. Caffeine triggers a hormetic response, activating autophagy. This makes your body stronger and more resilient. Coffee's benefits extend to muscles and heart, promoting longevity. Embrace coffee as part of your daily health ritual. If coffee isn't your cup of tea, literally don't worry. Green tea offers a gentler alternative for boosting autophagy and reaping a wealth of health benefits. This ancient beverage has been revered for centuries for its medicinal properties, and modern science is finally catching up to its incredible potential. Green tea is particularly rich in catechins, powerful antioxidants that have been shown to stimulate autophagy and protect your cells from damage. These compounds work by reducing oxidative stress, fighting inflammation, and promoting cellular repair. One of the most well-studied catechins in green tea is EGCG, or epigallocatechin gallate, which has demonstrated remarkable neuroprotective properties. This means that EGCG can help protect your brain cells from damage, potentially reducing the risk of cognitive decline and neurodegenerative diseases. But green tea's benefits don't stop there. Emerging research suggests that certain types of tea, like bergamot tea, may also play a role in fighting cancer. Bergamot tea, known for its citrusy aroma and flavor, contains unique compounds that have shown promise in inhibiting the growth of cancer cells. Whether you prefer a classic cup of green tea or enjoy the unique flavor profile of bergamot tea, incorporating these beverages into your daily routine can provide a gentle yet powerful boost to your autophagy process. So sip your way to better health and experience the rejuvenating effects of these remarkable teas. Let's move on to another culinary staple that deserves a prime spot in your autophagy-boosting arsenal: olive oil. This liquid gold, a cornerstone of the Mediterranean diet, is renowned for its remarkable health benefits, particularly its ability to enhance brain health and combat inflammation. When it comes to autophagy, cold-pressed extra virgin olive oil reigns supreme. This minimally processed form retains its natural antioxidants and beneficial compounds, making it a potent ally for cellular rejuvenation. Oleocanthal, a key compound, boosts autophagy and has potent anti-inflammatory properties. These properties help protect your cells and reduce chronic inflammation. The healthy fats in olive oil, particularly monounsaturated fats, are crucial for brain health. These fats improve cognitive function and protect against age-related decline. Use olive oil fresh and unheated to retain its benefits. Drizzle it over salads, add to dips, or enjoy as a finishing touch. Embrace the power of this liquid gold and experience the transformative benefits of olive oil-powered autophagy. Finally, let's talk about a spice that's been revered for centuries for its medicinal properties: turmeric. This vibrant yellow spice, a staple in Indian cuisine, is a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant powerhouse that can significantly impact your health, especially when it comes to autophagy and disease prevention. The active compound in turmeric responsible for its remarkable health benefits is curcumin. Curcumin has been shown to stimulate autophagy, helping your body clear out damaged cells and reduce inflammation. This powerful compound also exhibits anti-cancer properties, inhibiting the growth and spread of cancer cells. However, curcumin's bioavailability, its ability to be absorbed and utilized by your body, is relatively low. To enhance curcumin absorption, it's crucial to pair it with black pepper. Black pepper contains piperine, a compound that significantly increases curcumin's bioavailability, making it more effective in promoting autophagy and fighting disease. Adding turmeric to your diet is easy and delicious. You can sprinkle it on roasted vegetables, stir it into soups and stews, or blend it into smoothies. For a potent anti-inflammatory boost, try a warm cup of golden milk, a comforting blend of turmeric, almond milk, ginger, and black pepper. By incorporating turmeric into your culinary repertoire, you're not just adding flavor and vibrancy to your meals, you're harnessing the power of this ancient spice to activate autophagy, combat inflammation, and support your body's natural defenses against disease. Embrace the golden glow of turmeric and experience its transformative health benefits. As Dr. Mindy emphasizes, stimulating autophagy is a long-term investment in your health. By incorporating these 6 incredible foods into your diet, especially when combined with fasting, you can cleanse toxins, regenerate cells, and take control of your wellness journey. Remember, these foods are not just fuel, they are powerful tools that can unlock your body's innate healing potential. What are your thoughts on fasting or these 6 foods? Have you tried any of them, or do you have your own go-to tips for boosting health? Share your experiences in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Your insights might inspire someone else to embark on their own health journey. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more health-transforming content. We're committed to providing you with the knowledge and tools you need to live your healthiest, most vibrant life. Disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only and not a substitute for medical advice. Always consult your healthcare provider for personalized guidance.